Honda Fit GD1. We're going and do change the hub because the bearing bad on the side, that's the right side. Right, so we already jack up the car. There's the hub here, the handbrakes already dropped. Alright, so the drum off. There's the inside here. If you watch, you can see how it's turning. When the car driving, it's sounding like a speedboat. Alright, so we have to take off this cap here to get access to the 32mm nut. Right. This here is a 32mm nut. Alright, so on YouTube they say it's a 32mm, but in reality it's a 30mm. Right, so flatten the nut. Right, the nut come off. The bearing should come off easy. Right, old bearing. Right, this is the new bearing. NGK, I'm not sure how good NGK is. Right. So we put on the new, new bearing. Then we'll put back on the nut and torque it. But I'll put on some anti-seize on the shaft first. So in the event when it has to come out later on, it shouldn't bind with dirt and thing. Alright, so we put on some copper coat anti-seize on the shaft. Put on the bearing. Clean up the nut with some brakes cleaner. Tighten the nut. The reason why I tighten the nut hand tight because I don't want to over tighten it with the impact. And I have a torque wrench, so I will use the torque wrench to torque it to spec. Just using the impactor, right, just to run it up, right, and then torque it to spec. Alright, so we set the torque spec here. I check online on some forums, they say 135, 134. Spinning nice.